If you're a C-suite executive, a founder, entrepreneur, or high performer over 40, and you feel like you're starting to lose your edge, this video is probably going to hit uncomfortably close to home because burnout does not start with exhaustion. It starts with tiny metabolic fractures that your doctor never brings up. It starts with signals that your body whispered years before it finally started collapsing. Today, I'm going to show you the first early warning signs of burnout, the ones that high achievers usually ignore until it's way too late. And if you catch these early, you don't just avoid burnout, you rebuild a body capable of leading, building, and dominating for decades to come. Let's start with the real truth. Burnout is not psychological. It shows up there, yes, but the collapse begins biologically at the mitochondrial level, at the nervous system level, at the hormonal level. Your biology fails long before your mindset cracks. High performers miss this because they are conditioned to override signals. They're conditioned to push harder, ignore the cost, stay sharp, stay dominant. But the body always fires warning shots. Always. Okay, so here are the first early warning signs that your system is starting to slip. Sign number one, you wake up tired, even after a full night's sleep. This is not age. This is not getting older. This is mitochondrial underproduction. Your cells are failing to create enough ATP to meet your output demands. And that is the first stage of burnout. If your mornings feel heavier than your nights, your energy system is already compromised. Sign number two, your stress tolerance collapses. You used to be pretty stoic, right? You could handle whatever issues came up whenever they came up. And now, small problems trigger disproportionate reactions. This is nervous system dysregulation. Your sympathetic system is stuck on, and your parasympathetic system can't pull you out of that mode. You aren't irritable because you're stressed. You're irritable because your biology lost its ability to shift gears. Sign number three, your workouts feel harder than they should. You're training the same way, but the recovery just isn't there. The weights feel heavier, heart rate stays elevated longer, and you crash sooner. This is a telltale sign of metabolic rigidity. Your fuel systems are no longer switching efficiently between carbs and fats, you're burning energy inefficiently, and you are paying the price in terms of recovery. Sign number four, your caffeine intake quietly climbs. 1 cup of coffee becomes two becomes three. And then you're adding an afternoon hit just to maintain baseline function. My own personal go-to was coffee followed by a Red Bull, or two, maybe three. But this is the clearest indicator of adrenal strain and dopamine depletion. Your body is asking for support because the internal system can't generate that alertness on its own anymore. Sign number five, you lose your drive. And I'm not talking about motivation here. I am talking about your biological drive, your ambition, your libido, your focus and decisiveness. They all come from the same hormonal and neurological pathways. And when they fall off at the same time, it is not psychological, it is systemic. So if your ambition feels muted, that means your hormones are trying to warn you. Sign number six, you rely on willpower to perform tasks that used to feel natural. This is the beginning of executive function decline, not dementia, not aging, just the frontal lobe of your brain struggling because your metabolic system isn't supplying the fuel that it needs to function. So if you feel fog in your thinking, you're already in phase two of burnout. And here's what every high performer needs to understand. Burnout does not come from stress. It comes from an inability to recover from stress. So if your mitochondria are producing less energy, your nervous system becomes reactive. Your hormones destabilize. Your organs shift into survival mode. And your symptoms start to cascade. That's why treating burnout with vacations, mindset works, productivity hacks, breathing exercise does virtually nothing. You can't out-mindset a physiological collapse. You just can't do it. I'm sorry. So what do we do about it? Here are the first moves that every high achieving leader should make. Number one, Track your morning energy for 7 days. Not your mood, not motivation, just energy levels on waking. If you are below a 7 out of 10 for more than 3 days, the system is failing somewhere upstream. Number 2, audit your caffeine. If you're using caffeine to function instead of enhance, you're already compensating for metabolic decline. Number 3, observe your recovery. If you can exercise, but you can't recover, your biology is under strain. Number 4, pay attention to wake-ups between 2 and 4 a.m. This is a cortisol dysregulation pattern. It's one of the earliest and most ignored burnout indicators. I've rebuilt founders who thought their fatigue was age. I've rebuilt CEOs who thought they just lost their ambition. I've rebuilt entrepreneurs who assumed their anxiety was psychological somehow. Every single one of them had the same pattern underneath. Mitochondria slipping, metabolism slowing, nervous system stuck in overdrive, hormones compensating until they couldn't. The story never starts at the crash. It starts years earlier with all the signs that we're talking about right now. So here is the model that I want you to remember. Signal, compensation, breakdown. Your body signals, you override. The system compensates, you override again. Eventually, the compensation fails and you hit what you call burnout. But it was never sudden. You just ignored the early phase. You ignored the early signals and the signs. They're there. Trust me. So let's get this straight. High performers don't burn out because they're weak. They burn out because they operate at a level their biology was never taught to sustain. Period. You are not tired. Your system is underfueled. You are not losing your edge. Your mitochondria are just waving a little white flag. You're not broken. You're just unregulated. And the good news is, this is all fixable, but only if you listen to the signals. If this was useful, share it with somebody who you know is pushing hard and getting less back. Subscribe to this channel for weekly breakdowns on burnout, energy, and sustainable high performance. And hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. If you are suffering from burnout or chronic fatigue and you need to get your energy levels back, click the link in the description and you will get free access to my exclusive Executive Energy Blueprint. It is a 30-day reset that will get your cellular and hormonal systems back online and have you feeling a lot more like yourself in 4 weeks or less. Talk to you soon.